This is a Leviathan's breath pepper. Leviathan's breath is a new creation, and it's Rob's Leviathan breath. I'm gonna get the seeds out. Oh, my camera's in the right position. Oh, ho, 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 oh, ho, ho. Oh ho 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 ho. Whatever heat I'm feeling from these, the water's just running out of my mouth. We're gonna put this up. I'm gonna put it for my wife's cooking tonight, and then we're gonna just find out how hot it is. We'll just store this up on the counter and let her cook with it tonight. Oh, yum. Meanwhile, use Leviathan's breath, peppers into the plantings. Hey, why's my mouth watering so much? Maybe it's watering to test this pepper, the heat of it. Hi guys! Hi! Hi everybody! Hola! 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 Oh, oops, I'll put you up here so you can see better. And down here, I don't know. Getting the Leviathan's breath for the first test run. Completely new strain of pepper. Hi guys! Papa, Papa, where's my Papa? Where's Papa? Who wants to come and help Papa plant pepper? Huh? Want to come help Papa plant pepper? Who wants to step up, step up? Anybody want to step on my papa? Huh? Love you. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 trays of Leviathan's breath. And we'll just scatter these, I think are Carolina Reapers, kind of randomly in here and see what pops up. And we'll get them out in the plantation as soon as they germinate. So these last 8 are Leviathan's breath, and all these other ones are Carolina Reapers. So we'll get this Leviathan's breath. We'll just put this marker here. Leviathan breath, see? Leviathan's breath. And then we'll get these guys poked down under the soil. They can start to germinate. Yeah, my eyes are burning a bit here too, so. Make sure those Leviathan's breath. That's our new strain. That's a lot of work. Cross-pollinate those things. Peppers are a funny little thing, because they'll cross-pollinate so easily in nature. All of a sudden you're planting a brown pepper and you got a red pepper. So you have to be careful where and how you plant them. It's okay when they're seedlings like this, but we got to split them up so they get bigger, start to flower before they start to flower. Get all these reapers into the soil. Hi guys! Who's saying hi guys? Is that you, Chickie? Is that you, Chickie? Oh, hi guys, is that you, buddy? You wanna come at Papa, buddy? You wanna come at Papa, or is that Polly? Who's that? Who wants to come at Papa? Oh, we gotta close this door because we don't wanna lose any birds. And then we open this door. Hi, Blue. You want a scratchy, scratchy, Blue? Scratchy, scratchy. Good boy, Blue. Oh, good boy. Scratchy, scratchy. Scratchy, scratchy, Blue. Scratchy, scratchy. Hey, don't be jealous. Why are you biting me? Oh, don't bite Papa. You're jealous. Who wants to come at Papa? Papa, where's my Papa? Who wants to step up my Papa? You want to come at Papa, buddy? Want to step up to Papa? Good boy, buddy. Oh, good boy, buddy. Hey, don't be jealous, Chickie. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Come with Papa. See you later, Blue. You gonna come with Papa? You gonna come with Papa? Okay. Nobody. You wanna come with Papa, Blue? You wanna come with Papa? Scratchy, 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 Blue. Scratchy, scratchy, Chickie. Scratchy, scratchy. Hi, Laura. Scratchy, scratchy, Laura. Scratchy, 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 scratchy. Step up to Papa. Anybody step up to Papa? Hi, Chickie. Hi, Chickie. Say hello. Who had it? Who had it? Hello. Hello. Give me a cushion. 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 Okay. I guess the birds don't want to work with me today. Normally, at least one wants to come and help me plant. But we'll save it for another day. All the glory to God anyhow. So put these under, and then I'll show you when they germinate. So here left, Carolina Reaper, right, Rob's Leviathan. Leviathan's breath.